Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss what is the significance of the cost of capital in financial management. Introduction to the concept of cost of capital. The cost of capital is a fundamental concept in finance that refers to the cost a company incurs in order to raise funds for its operations. It encompasses both the cost of debt and the cost of equity, and is used to evaluate potential investments and determine the overall financial health of a company. Defining cost of capital and its importance in financial management. The cost of capital refers to the required rate of return that a company must achieve in order to satisfy its investors and creditors. It is an essential concept in financial management as it helps in evaluating the potential returns and risks of investment projects, determining the optimal capital structure, and making informed decisions regarding financing and investment opportunities. Exploring the components of cost of capital, debt, equity, and retained earnings. When evaluating the cost of capital, it's crucial to consider the different components: debt, equity, and retained earnings. Debt represents the cost of borrowing funds, and it includes interest payments and other financing costs. Equity refers to the cost of raising funds from shareholders, taking into account dividends and potential returns. Retained earnings encompass the opportunity cost of using profits to reinvest in the business rather than distributing them to shareholders. Understanding the relationship between cost of capital and risk. Understanding the relationship between cost of capital and risk is crucial for making informed financial decisions. The cost of capital represents the minimum rate of return that a company must earn on its investments to satisfy its shareholders, while risk refers to the uncertainty and potential for financial loss associated with an investment. The cost of capital is influenced by the level of risk inherent in an investment, with riskier investments typically requiring a higher cost of capital to compensate for the increased uncertainty. By understanding and managing this relationship, businesses can optimize their capital allocation and maximize their financial performance. Analyzing the impact of cost of capital on investment decisions. The cost of capital plays a critical role in shaping investment decisions, as it directly influences the profitability and feasibility of potential projects. A higher cost of capital can deter companies from pursuing certain investments, as it increases the hurdle rate that projects must exceed to be considered worthwhile. On the other hand, a lower cost of capital can make investments more attractive, potentially leading to increased spending on growth and expansion. Examining the calculation methods for cost of capital, WACC, MCC, and others. When examining the calculation methods for cost of capital such as WACC, MCC, and others, it is important to consider the weighted average cost of capital, WACC, which takes into account the proportion of debt and equity in a company's capital structure. Additionally, the marginal cost of capital, MCC, reflects the cost of raising one additional dollar of capital, and it considers the specific blend of debt and equity at that particular point in time. Other methods may include the use of specific discount rates for different projects based on their risk profile and the company's overall cost of capital. Case studies and real-life examples of cost of capital in financial management. Case studies and real-life examples of cost of capital in financial management can provide valuable insights into the application of relevant theories and calculations in the business world. These examples can showcase how companies determine their cost of capital, make investment decisions, and evaluate the performance of projects based on this crucial financial metric. Analyzing actual scenarios where cost of capital played a significant role can help students and professionals understand the practical implications of this concept in a tangible way. Strategies for optimizing cost of capital for business success. One strategy for optimizing the cost of capital for business success is to focus on improving the company's credit rating. A higher credit rating can lead to lower borrowing costs, thereby reducing the cost of capital. This can be achieved by maintaining a strong financial position, making timely debt payments, and effectively managing cash flow. Thank you very much, and we appreciate you spending the time to view this presentation. We greatly value your input. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.